into the world of vintage trucking and discover the iconic 1989 International Eagle semi-truck. With its unmistakable long-nosed design and aggressive stance, this model is a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of International Harvester. The 1989 International Eagle semi-truck is a powerhouse of durability, reliability, and performance, making it a legendary choice for long-haul trucking. Designed to meet the demands of professional truckers, this model combines classic styling with rugged engineering. The bold, commanding presence of the International Eagle on the highway turns heads. With its unmistakable long-nosed design, aggressive stance, and chrome accents, the aerodynamic body improves fuel efficiency while maintaining a tough and muscular appearance. The signature grille, squared-off headlights, and wide chrome bumper reinforce its dominance on the road. The large, well-positioned mirrors enhance visibility, ensuring drivers have a clear view of their surroundings. Additional features like air deflectors on the sides and top help improve aerodynamics, reducing wind resistance. Whether it is hauling freight across the country or modified for truck shows, the International Eagle remains a respected and iconic semi-truck. Under the hood, the 1989 International Eagle is equipped with a range of powerful diesel engines that deliver exceptional performance. One of the most common options is the Cummins Big Cam engine, known for its longevity and high torque output. Other available engines include the Detroit Diesel Series 60 and the Caterpillar 3406, each offering unique advantages in power and fuel efficiency. These engines produce horsepower ranging from 300 to over 500, ensuring that the truck can handle heavy loads with ease. Paired with a manual transmission featuring up to 18 gears, the truck allows drivers to maximize power and fuel economy based on terrain and cargo weight. The rear-wheel drive system, heavy-duty suspension, and reinforced frame provide stability and durability, allowing the truck to tackle steep inclines and rough roads effortlessly. Air brakes ensure consistent stopping power, while the robust axle setup distributes weight evenly for better control. This combination of power, engineering, and functionality makes the International Eagle a trusted workhorse for commercial trucking. The interior of the 1989 International Eagle is designed with the driver's comfort in mind. The spacious and well-organized cab provides an ergonomic layout that minimizes fatigue. During long drives, the dashboard features easy-to-read analog gauges, including a large speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, and oil pressure monitor. Additional warning lights and displays ensure drivers have all the necessary information to monitor performance. The air conditioning and heating systems make the truck comfortable in all weather conditions, creating a relaxing driving experience. Seating options include high-quality vinyl or cloth, with many models featuring air ride suspension, seats that absorb shocks and vibrations, reducing strain on the driver's body. The cabin offers multiple storage compartments, allowing space for personal belongings, tools, and essential equipment. Some configurations include a sleeper cab with a built-in bed, overhead storage, and lighting, making overnight hauls more convenient. This setup ensures that long-distance drivers can rest comfortably without needing external accommodations. The attention to detail in the interior design makes this semi-truck a preferred choice for truckers who prioritize comfort and efficiency. Driving the 1989 International Eagle is a unique experience. With its commanding road presence and smooth handling, the truck's long wheelbase provides excellent stability at highway speeds, reducing driver fatigue over extended distances. The steering system is designed for precision, allowing for confident maneuvering in tight spaces. Despite the truck's large size, the transmission shifts smoothly, with lower gears providing ample torque for acceleration and higher gears optimizing fuel consumption. The air suspension system enhances ride quality, absorbing road imperfections to deliver a smooth and controlled drive, whether hauling cargo across states or operating in industrial settings. The International Eagle is engineered to perform reliably under all conditions. The maintenance and longevity of the 1989 International Eagle depend on regular servicing and proper care. The truck's durable construction allows it to withstand high mileage, but routine inspections of the engine, transmission, and braking system are necessary to ensure optimal performance. Diesel engines require regular oil changes, fuel filter replacements, and cooling system checks to prevent overheating and maintain efficiency. The manual transmission benefits from periodic clutch adjustments and gearbox lubrication, ensuring smooth shifts and prolonged lifespan. The air brake system requires frequent inspections to maintain safety, with brake pads and air lines needing replacements as necessary. Many owners invest in aftermarket upgrades such as high-flow air filters, custom exhaust systems, and auxiliary fuel tanks to enhance power and efficiency. Proper maintenance not only extends the truck's life but also improves fuel economy, reducing operational costs for long-haul trucking. The 1989 International Eagle holds significant value in today's trucking community, with many well-maintained models still in operation. The price of these trucks varies depending on condition, mileage, and modifications. Fully restored models with original parts and factory specifications can command higher values, especially among collectors and enthusiasts. Many truckers have customized their Eagles with unique paint jobs, chrome accessories, and LED lighting to enhance their visual appeal. This truck is not just a workhorse, but also a canvas for personal expression, with owners taking pride in keeping these classics on the road. The truck's reputation for dependability and strength has cemented its place as one of the most respected semi-trucks in the industry. For truckers and collectors looking for a piece of American trucking history, the 1989 International Eagle remains a top choice, whether it is used for commercial purposes or as a classic showpiece. Its legendary performance and timeless design make it a worthwhile investment. The truck represents an era when semi-trucks were built for durability and power, standing the test of time even in today's evolving trucking industry. Owning one today means embracing a rich legacy of engineering and craftsmanship that continues to inspire truck enthusiasts worldwide. For more detailed reviews, specifications, and features on legendary semi-trucks, subscribing to our channel ensures you never miss an update. Join our growing community and be part of the journey as we explore the finest trucks that shape the industry. Stay connected for exclusive content on the best vehicles, their performance capabilities, and their impact on the road.